Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 8. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 8. Let's see our today's topic. It is voice changing part 3. This is our third class on our voice changing. Dear learners, look here. This is our half yearly syllabus and lecture number 8 and homework number 6. This is our lecture number 8 and homework number 6 on our half yearly 2021 syllabus. It is voice changing part 3. That means previous former you attended 2 classes regarding the voice changing part 1 and 2. Dear learners, if you open your this book, English Grammar and Composition, class 8, this book, page number 160, 161 and 62, you will get this lecture. I am telling you, that means please open your English Grammar and Composition book, page number 160, 161 and 62, you will get these 10 sentences. So let's start our class. So look here, change the following sentence passive. These are the sentences, okay, with modals. That means we will turn the sentences of modal auxiliary into passive. Look at the first A number at first. I will teach him. So will is a modal auxiliary here or modal verb. I will teach him. So look here, he will be taught. He will be taught by me. So look at the rules here. Here him, whenever we will turn it as subject, it will be he. Then the verb, this modal auxiliary or the auxiliary verb will, then the be verb, then the past participle of the word teach. He will be taught by me. Now number B, we ought to. Here ought to is also an example of modal auxiliary. We ought to practice English speaking. So look at the object, English speaking, it will be subject. English speaking ought to be. Ought to be. Ought to be means must or should. English speaking ought to be practiced. By us. So I am telling again, English speaking ought to be practiced by us. Now number C, we should obey our parents. So look, our parents. Our parents should be, should modal auxiliary, then be, should be obeyed, past form of obey. So obeyed by us. Okay, done. Our parents should be obeyed by us. Now D number, Karim could operate the machine. Here the machine is an object. We will take it as subject, the machine. MACHINE, the machine could, auxiliary verb given here, could or modal auxiliary, could be operated. OPERATED, past participle of operate is operated by Karim. Full stop. Okay, E number, last question of 1 number. You may do the work. So look, the work may be, the work may be done by you. So I am telling again, the work may be done by you. Okay. Now 2 number, bring the book, open the door, let me drink coffee, let him do the work, do not phone me. These all are the sentence. These sentences are about the imperative sentence. Now we will do imperative sentence to passive. Bring the book. Okay. We will use at first a let the book, then be, let the book be. Past participle of bring is brought. Let the book be brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Full stop. So look, according to the rules of passive of imperative sentence, we will use at first a let, then the book, it will be used here. Look here, let, then the object the book, then be verb according to the rules, then the past participle of the main verb, bring, brought. A number is done. Now B number, open the door, same thing, let the door be opened. O-P-E-N-E-D. Very easy. C number, let me drink coffee. Let, object is coffee, let coffee according to rule be, let coffee be drunk, D-R-U-N-K, drunk by me. So I am telling again, let coffee be drunk by me. Now D number, let him do the work. Let the work be done by him. So look, let the work be done by him. Last question, it is E number, do not phone me. Negative of imperative sentence, do not phone me. So look here, it is let not me be phoned. Past participle of phone is phoned, ed. So look, let not me be phoned. Okay, dear learners, we have finished our in first segment there are 5 sentences. These sentences are about modal auxiliary passive, and here it is imperative passive. Here it is 5 sentences, and here we have done also 5 sentences. Now look, this is our last segment. This is homework, and homework number 6. If you open your book page number 162, you will get these sentences. Change the active sentences into passive. So look, there are 5 sentences, and you will do as your homework. Dear learners, please pick up the sentences. You will pick up the sentences, and in the gap, so look, I have written here answer, and here you will write the answer. Nobody will write only the answer. Please look, I have given only 5 sentences as your homework. Please pick up the sentence, and in the gap, like me, you will write the answer. Dear students, I hope that you have understood, and with this part 3 class, we have finished our voice changing classes. Dear learners, if you have any query regarding this class and previous 2 classes, please write me in the comment box. Comment box is always open for you. Don't hesitate to write me. Do your homework properly and keep practicing at home. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.